Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the v10 filter on TikTok. So generally to apply any filter you go here. This is the filter option in TikTok and you see the filters. For v10 you go here in vibe and here you slide right until you find v10. v10 filter is somewhere here, but there are some new updates and v10 is gone. And if you want to get the v10 filter back, then what you have to do, first remove your SIM card from your device. Then VPN, I have hotspot, so let's select United States. Okay, I'm in US now. Let's close TikTok and everything. Let's open TikTok again. Okay, so to apply v10 now, let's tap on this filter. Okay, tap on vibe. Okay, slide right. Okay, there you go, you got the v10 filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this v10 filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.